All set now, ready to race. Race number 5. And the race is on. Mixed best from the outside. Jacqueline's Diamond by Darrell. Ace Liza's Wisdom. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Liza's Wisdom alongside is Mixed best. In between runners, Jacqueline's Diamond. Dignified is racing in fourth by about 3 lengths. Moving up by Darrell Tagurano. My Wife Knows All. Golden Boss and moving up by Darrell, and rounding the far turn, Mixed Best by a length and a half, followed by entry number 1, Liza's Wisdom, and racing in third, Jacqueline's Diamond. Gawang Pinoy moving up by Darrell, together with Dignified as they race the last 500. Mixed Best, Gawang Pinoy is racing on the outside, and Dignified as they race the final corner. Mixed Best by about 2 lengths. Gawang Pinoy on the outside is Dignified. Mixed Best by Darrell, and on the outside is Gawang Pinoy. Dignified. Last 100 meters more to run. Mixed Best number 7 by about 3, and finally Mixed Best, Gawang Pinoy, Dignified, My Wife Knows All, and